Good morning, dear students. Let us begin our science class. Today, we are going to learn about the purification of water. Water purification is the process of removing undesirable chemicals, biological contaminants, and suspended solids from contaminated water. Now, let us see the different methods of water purification. Soil. You can see here soil mixed with water. Some others are dead remains of plants and animals, waste from houses, then we have waste from industries. These impurities contaminate the water. Some of them are soluble while some others are insoluble. Both soluble and insoluble impurities must be removed from water before we consume it. Let us see removal of insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities are removed from water by sedimentation and decantation and filtration processes. Let us learn about sedimentation and decantation. We can see here insoluble impurities, they are allowed to settle down at the bottom of a container of water, and this process is known as sedimentation. We can see here the impurities which was earlier mixed, after leaving it for some time, get settled at the bottom. You can see here the clay mixed with water settling down, and finally a clear water comes up and the impurities, insoluble impurities, settle down at the bottom. This process is called sedimentation. The impurities that settle down at the bottom are called sediments. This is known as sediment. The clear liquid which comes up above the sediment is known as supernatant liquid. Now let us see the method which follows sedimentation is decantation. Separation of water from muddy water. You can see here the sediments which has settled down and the supernatant liquid. The clear liquid is gently poured into some another container. See here the sediment lying there, and with the help of a glass rod, the clear supernatant liquid is poured into another beaker. This process is known as decantation. The top layer of clean water is gently poured into another container without disturbing the sediment. This process is called decantation. The purpose of decantation is to obtain a decant or to recover the precipitate. This is the precipitate or the residue, we can say the decant. We recover that after decantation. The purpose of decantation is to decant or to recover a precipitate. Now let us see the next process of purification of water from insoluble impurities, that is filtration. These are different methods of filtration, but the process is that a filter, a glass funnel or filter paper or a thin cotton cloth is taken, and then impure water is poured into that, and slowly the clear water gets collected into a beaker, and the insoluble impurities remains in the filter paper or in the cotton cloth as residue. The process of removing insoluble impurities from water with the help of a filter is called filtration. Let us do an activity. Sand mixed water is poured slowly onto the cotton cloth piece tied to the mouth of a beaker. And what we see is that the sand gets collected on the tied cotton cloth as residue and clear water gets collected in the beaker as filtrate. This is all about the different processes of removing insoluble impurities from water. Today we learnt about sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Thank you, children.